The Golden Gate Bridge speaks first, recounting steel and grit that linked San Francisco to Marin after earthquakes and doubt. Its builders faced fog, raging currents, and a fragile budget, yet tower cranes rose as whispered poems of resilience. The structure became a symbol of mobility, commerce, and migration, shaping neighborhoods and destinies across a widening American horizon. During the Depression, it would murmur about public works, job creation, and faith that audacious plans could renew a city. Today, its arches teach balance between danger and beauty, reminding visitors to honor workers, maps, and rivers that shape civilization.